I don't think the heavy stuff's gonna come down for quite some time, sir. Whoa. Now you're talking. We've been waiting for this for a long time. Do we have a risk assessment written up for this, sir?
Well, we have rules acceptance and acceptable law, so I'm going to call it
I think we should be safe from the lightning on the porch, right?
Porch is safe, and stay out of the pool. Stay out of the pool. Lightning risk. No lifeguard on duty. It's just all the ruckus.
It's not me, it's Mother Nature.
Oh.
She's being a...
Your softball.
Yeah. Shit, it's not supposed to rain tomorrow, is it?
Actually, it is supposed to rain tomorrow.
Piss! What? You liked it? Tell that to these clowns.
That was the plan.
I liked it. Yeah. I mean, how many superhero movies do you watch where the superhero sucks? Oh yeah. Now we're talking. You'll have to speak up.
Rain, clouds, lightning.
Yeah, I'm trying to capture it. Hey, ask Captain Pearl what do you think, or Captain Larson what he thinks about Kick-Ass. Thank you, sir. Suck it, Bosch.
You sucked.
Your door's locked.
I try to be all tough and then walk in.
Yeah, I do that all the time. I screw it up. Dang it!
Hey, did you ever find those pictures for Mitzel?
Yeah.
Did you?
Uh-huh. So what kind of watch do you wear?
Let's just ask him what time.
No, because I'm looking for somebody that wears an Iron Man watch like mine. That night I was in watching movies. Somebody came and tossed my room and shit. And I'm looking at my camera today. Apparently they rubbed their dick all over all my shit and they took pictures of it. So I'm looking for somebody about your build. I'm gonna come in here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, jeez! Whoa, man!
Look at this guy.
Who?
The guy stuck out in the rain. That's a good one.
So, yeah, they did some funny stuff and they took pictures. They took pictures on my camera.
Their dick?
Yeah. Man, that's intense, dude.
Like,
Yep. So I'm gonna find out who it was.
what are you gonna do about it?
Well, first I'm gonna sort out who it is, and then I'm gonna do whatever I feel is pertinent.
Wow.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, man.
This is monsoon.
Yeah.
Torrential downpour in an instant.
Yeah, it's intense, man. And then it'll just die. No, I stand on the other side of the deck, man. You can't even stand out there.
I think this one will stick around for a little
Rat
bit. The way it's been building up. Over the
Dude,
last
look
few
at that.
days. It's a wall of water.
Whoa. Hope I don't F up my camera.
Maybe you should get one of those cute little baggies that they have for cameras. Damn. Okay, I'm going back in.
Yeah. Wow, man. Where's the latrine?
Huh?
Oh,
You're not gonna film me taking a shit.
I don't know. I mean, is it a request? I will. You're clenching. I can see it. Show that turd who's boss, boss. Show that turd who's boss. Hey Bosch, what you doing? Own it, Bosch, own it. Man, intense, kids. Intense. Well, not very good, but it's about all I care to film about a rainstorm in Kosovo. It's pretty intense. If there's any tornadoes, I'll make sure to whip out the camera and film that too.